What's going on YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, here we have this Black Max 4-cycle string trimmer. I believe they sell them at Walmart. Anyway, this one will not start, okay? But I think I know why, and we are going to see if I'm right. There is water in that primer bulb. You can see the air bubble at the top, right? But then you see a clear separation where you have air on the top, then fuel, then water underneath. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go dump the fuel tank out. I don't believe there's much in there, but yeah, it's more than I thought. You can kind of see the line. Anyways, I'm gonna go dump all that crap out of there, and then we're gonna put fresh gas in it, and I bet you it runs just fine. So let me get it dumped out, and I'll meet you back in here. We'll put fresh fuel in it and go from there. Alrighty, I'm back. Let me check the oil in it real quick. I went ahead and put some fresh gas in it because it was just easier. I didn't want to take a chance of spilling gas in here and having to deal with that. I'm not gonna lie. This is the first trimmer I've ever messed with that actually has a crankcase you put oil in, and I don't see any in there. So let me pause you. I'll go grab some oil and pour some in here. Alright, well, I'm not real sure what flavor or weight of oil this thing requires, but I'm going to give it a drink of 1030. I bet you don't require a whole lot. Oh yeah, just full now. Hopefully, they did not go wrong like that. I would imagine these are too terribly expensive, but I don't know about you guys. I sure hate to waste money because I wasn't smart enough to check the oil. Alright, now I still got a touch of water in that primer bulb, so I'm going to pump it till that water's gone. Hopefully it'll get back in the tank. It won't cause us too many issues. Most of the 4-cycle or 4-mix trimmers I've worked on were steel, and you still use mixed fuel, but this one clearly states on the cap gasoline only. So we will see. Alright, I'll back you up just a touch, and we will. Sorry about that. Okay. Now I've primed up to where I think I've got the water out of the carburetor. Choke it. That on. See what happens. People, thanks for joining in. That's going to conclude this one. All it had was water in it. It just goes to show you, people, a lot of people just don't look. They do not pay attention. If they can't pour it in there and go, then they don't care. They just rather somebody else deal with it. And that's fine. That's business. So just keep that in mind before you overcomplicate something. It may be something really, really, really simple. Anyways, like and sub. We'll catch you beautiful people on the next one. Later.